The best way, I reckon, DIYers to wipe off is start at the top, work down, and if you get any runs or anything like that, it's going down and you get to wipe it off. If you start at your bottom, that's not the way to do it. See how easy it is with a wash boy? Fast, clean, tidy. That's all there is to it. But when you've got good grouting, which it's easy to do with a wash boy, if you've got good grouting, it helps to make a job. You always look at your lines, make sure your lines are nice. Back in the day, before clips, you always tried to have your grout lines as flush as with your tile, because it would hide the odd lip here and there if you had your grout flush. Some jobs I never used to use water. I'd rub it off dry. With a poly pad, it's sort of a poly pad thing. Not a steel wool, not a Goldilocks, not a pot scraper, but a plastic sort of pot scraper. That would get your lines beautiful and flush. But now with clips you don't need to do any of that. I always do a one wipe. I never wipe twice. All right, people. I've got to do up there yet. We'll see you soon. We'll see you on the next part. Okay, subscribe to my channel, people. Support this channel by subscribing to it. It'll all help it to grow. It doesn't take much, it doesn't cost to subscribe. See you soon.